Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me for another Gunpla Haul from Masamune Studio. So I have here our fourth Gunpla Haul. So I'm just gonna open the box and let's see what's inside. Before we start, I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video. And if you're looking to buy a kit, please don't forget to visit their website. Just go to msmnstudio.com. You can check their wide selection of model kits, building materials, tools, paints, and many more. So first we got the one of the oldest. This is a 21-year-old kit. So this is the gun tank high grade. Next we have the high-grade Gundam Death Sight. So this is a newly released kit, and I think it was released last month. Next, we also have the newly released Gundam SD. So this came from the Gundam World Hero series. So this is the Gundam Wukong Impulse or Wukong Impulse Gundam. Then another one from the Gundam Hero series. So this is the Heroes Nobunaga Gundam Epion. Next we have the RG 00 Quant. So this is a RG from the Gundam 00. And then next is the 1/100 full mechanic Gundam Barbatos Lupus Rex. So I got this kit because I'm preparing for the upcoming full mechanic line from Bandai. So I think I'm gonna create a comparison video of the new FM line and then this FM line from IBO. And then lastly for the Gundam kits, this is the Master Grade Barbatos. So I've heard a lot of good things about this and I'm excited to build it. So stay tuned if you want to see the building process for this one. So this is the Master Grade Gundam Barbatos. Next I have a model kit for Pikachu. Isn't it cute? When I was choosing some kits, my kid saw the Pikachu, so I got it for her. Next, we got some weathering paints. So this is Mr. Weathering Color. So I got the white and the stained brown. Next, we got the Mr. Weathering Color solvent for the weathering color we got. And then we got Mr. Color leveling thinner. So I'm gonna create a video as well comparing the original Mr. Color thinner and the leveling thinner. Next, I got the Mr. Finishing Surfacer 1500. So I'm gonna use this to do a quick primer for the kit, just to show some imperfections like nub marks and mold lines. So it's just going to be a quick spray to show some imperfections. Next, I have some building materials. So I just grab a couple of pipes. So one is 3.5 millimeter and the other one is 4.5 millimeter. Next, I got some tools. So I got some drill bits. So the size is 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, and 0.9 millimeter. So next are the Heroes Craft Present. So these are for the SD kits from the Gundam World Heroes line. So you can create some of the effects. So we have two of them. One for the Epion and one for the Wukong. So I believe these are free if you buy a certain amount of kit from the Gundam Heroes line. Lastly, I ordered some water slide decals. So these are a set of caution decals in gray color. So I already ran out of gray caution water decals, so I ordered one. And then lastly, I ordered a set of surface primer. So I'm gonna create a primer 101 video, so stay tuned for that video. So this is a Mr. Surfacer 1000, and then this is a 1500 white, and then this is a 1500 pink, and then this is a 500 gray, and then 1500 black, and then 1500 gray. So I'm just gonna create a video comparing all of this and showing how to use them in certain application and what would be the difference between each of them. So stay tuned for that video as well. So that's our 4th Gunpla Haul from Masamune Studio. If you want to see any of this in action, stay tuned to my channel and please don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I release a video. Thanks for watching and keep building.